Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2005 Honda VT1100 Sabre. This one's got that rock and roll styling with Honda reliability. V-twin, liquid cooled, really cool paint scheme with that flame finish, mag wheels, straight exhaust. Think sounds great. It's got the quick the release passenger backrest. Come on by, make your big bore V-twin dreams come true for just $29.99. We just ran this through the shop, checked her out, she's ready to go. Check us out on the web, www.contracostapn.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock.